Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Yes, sorry we're late. Where's the camera at? Nobody knows. We'll go full Weeble while the camera's messing up. I know I was late. Sorry. I had to reset my password for cracking there. So that was taking a second. Nonetheless, we're good to go right now. Michael, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Michael says, fist, bump, fist, bump. Where am I at? Fist, bump. Fist bump. Man, hopefully that was working. The camera seems to be lagging very bad right now. Michael, thank you very much. Let's see who we got first in the chat today. We got Tim, Pudgy, Tim, Michael, Caesar, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Outdo Bro, Pika Power, Pudgy. We got Paul, Pudgy, Paul, Michael, Pika, Mark, Pudgy, Outdo Bro, Caesar. We got Mark, PS5, DD214, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Tyler, Caesar, Dark Bro, Outdoor, Nick F, Tyler, DD214, Caesar, Michael, Andy, Michael, Caesar, Kalo, Brad, and Ezzy. What's going on, everybody? My goodness, what a day the market has been today. Terra Luna Classic still holding these lines, looking amazing right now. And all right, hold on, let me get this out of here. Let's actually see if I can sign in right here really quick. All right, does it work? Oh my god, too many failed attempts. Try again later. All right, whatever, we'll get it to work later. As of right now, nope. Now I got a no-go on the logo right now. So we'll log in later and make sure that that is all good to go. But we are back in the chat right now. Terra Luna Classic, guys. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 47,400 points. AMC back in the green. Looking delicious, $8.36. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1.79% right now. GameStop pulling back drastically from that high that it just hit there at 24.82, sitting at 24.05 at the moment. This here, to me, this is crazy, guys. Another one of these days where if we would have stayed in, we would have been doing very well right now. But if we would have stayed in as well, I can't overlook the fact that I would have been down about 50% on this decline right here. So it was solid taking that. I did not want to go back in the red at all on that position. So there's no knowing that we would have trended higher for the rest of the day. It is trending lower at the moment, but man, it would have been beneficial to stay in, but I wouldn't have wanted to suffer through this loss right here. So solid movement, QQQ moving strong into the close, right? Actually, it's moving kind of down into the close, but strong afternoon for the QQQ. Terra Luna Classic continuing these support levels at 48,000 points per coin. Definitely lagging. Yeah, Kayla, I don't know what's going on, man. Something with the camera. Maybe somebody was messaging me or something like that. I love your videos, bro. Orianit Kogeki, thank you very much. Hopefully I got that name right. Dinosaur Canoe, what's going on, man? Sup, bro? Tyler, how you doing? Yo, another live. Twice a day, man. Yeah, we usually go live twice a day. Around this time and around 11:50 a.m. Eastern time, and then 3:50 p.m. Eastern time. Some people can't make it to the first live stream. They're working, all good stuff. They're about to get off work now, so good deal heading into the close and after hours. I don't know. I think it's cool. Two lives instead of doing 1 2-hour live. Do 2 lives, split it up a little bit. Let people who can't join the first one join the second one, and so on. Did you turn it off and on again? Oh, the camera? No, not yet. I haven't done it yet. Seems like it might be a little bit better right now. Congrats on 100K subs. When are you going to give 1 million loot? ORL, very good question. The 1 million loot giveaway was for if that video got us above 1 million subscribers. There were 60% of the viewers that were not clicking the subscribe button. It was to motivate that 60% of viewers to click the subscribe button, and they did not. The video needed to get several thousand subscribers. It ended up getting about 400 subscribers. So unfortunately, I'm not giving away 1 million LUNC at this point because you guys didn't fulfill that part of the giveaway. But nonetheless, man, we're here, we're ready to go. Everybody's making money in Terra Luna Classic, and it's looking good. I feel you, Michael. What did Michael say? Missed Michael. My weekends are incomplete without Bro's live stream. Dang it, man. Dang it. My weekends actually feel like I've got a lot of time without the live streams. So I don't know if you guys would want to hang out on the weekends or not. I feel like it would take too much of your weekend away. 1 million subscribers, Nick F. Let's get. Guys, get your dates in the chat right now before everybody gets in here. What are your dates when we hit 1 million So can you imagine, like, we hit 1 million subscribers and we've got people in here. They've got 20-month member chats and people are absolutely rocking it. And I'm like, oh yeah, this is awesome. This is the life, bo. What movie is that from? I know you guys know. You watched it. 1 million LUNC was $50 not too long ago. You are correct, Auto Bro. And now it is nearly $500. Let's see. And 3 videos a day, mostly on LUNC now because Shiba developers are sleeping. Shiba developers are sleeping right now, which is, I actually think it's okay. I would like some more information out of them on Shibarium, the game, something, a little bit of activity. But yeah, also, there's the search volume on Terra Luna Classic is absolutely ridiculous right now, and everybody's looking for it and excited. So I'm kind of not necessarily taking advantage of it, but it is one of the most consumed coins at the moment. So that is playing a factor into... Because before, I was kind of doing one on LUNC, one on Shiba, and one on just like the overall crypto space. And since since Luna Classic's blowing up right now, it's kind of taking the forefront, I'd say. Hit the like button if you were reading this. I can't hit the like button, man. I can't like my own chat. I wish I could 1,000,000 times. Whenever I get demotivated by jealous Twitter warriors regarding the LUNC, I come back for Claybrio's videos. You deserve the same pump as LUNC is getting. Azim Niazi, thank you very much, man. You're awesome. Really appreciate the positivity, man. How many LUNC are on hold with Voyager? Oh, man. Actually, one and only Bronson. I don't know that answer. I'm sure, dude, there could be billions on hold with Voyager. I think it would easily go into the billions on hold. You said that video had to get to 1 million. Dude, if that video gets us to 1 million, I don't know why I was thinking 1 million. I guess I'm prophesying what's to come. If that video gets us to 1 million, I will reveal Nick F's face live, sitting next to me. It'll happen, man. It'll happen. Promise it'll happen. If that video gets us to 1 million, I'll have Nick F sitting on the desk right here. I already did something, Tyler. Good. We need to get LUNC videos on how to develop the LUNC blockchain. We need to start bringing developers on to add the next pulse. Yeah, free Bitcoin. I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves right now, but I do agree. That is one of the next steps. I believe we need to make sure the burns are implemented, all of that stuff first. But you're right, dude. Bringing some people to build on the blockchain is going to be one of the next big steps that takes Luna Classic to the next level. I used to search LUNC videos, and only a handful would come up. Now yeah, dude, I'm going to tell you, I'm able. It happens, right? People understand that it's extremely popular. And they're also trying to make a bunch of videos, bunch of content and stuff on it right now as well to take advantage of it and fill that need, because there's a lot of people consuming a lot of videos on a daily basis when it comes to LUNC. So, yeah, you're going to see a lot of new faces as well. And hey, man, support those guys too, right? Support, even if there's somebody just now starts a channel and they're passionate about LUNC, they want to talk about it, they want to get some information out there. Dude, support those guys, man. Do some ooh dances and you'll get 1 million. Yes, man, let's go. AMC 8 making a bit of a comeback. Yeah, dude, towards the end of the day, AMC actually rolling nicely, closing in the green today. AMC closed 1.34% higher after spending nearly the entire day in the red. Nope, that's not what we went. We went this one. AMC, after spending nearly an entire day in the red, did close green, 1.34% higher today. GameStop, not so much, ended 4.30% lower. And Terra Luna Classic right now, 48,000 points per coin, guys. It is getting ready to go. I do want to ask this. Has anybody had trouble verifying themselves on KuCoin? If so, let me know, because I've seen some people are having problems verifying themselves. To the burn tax. Yes, so Yan Bing, they did agree to the burn tax. KuCoin will be KuCoin will be burning the 1.2% once it hits. He misspoke. He meant 100,000 subscribers by that video. It took a couple more days. He has to hold himself accountable. The video didn't get him to 100,000 subscribers. He kept his word. Dinosaur Canoe. I love it, man. I love it. It is true. I would like to give everybody in here a million Terra Luna Classic, right? But, I mean, that would be extremely difficult to do. 148 times 400. I don't even know what that gets you to, but that's pretty high. 40 grand, maybe? Riptide Redemption. Here's a hot dog for Trapper. Trapper loves the hot dogs. Riptide Redemption. Thank you very much. Guys, in order to properly eat a hot dog, it's called the dip and shove. You take that hot dog and you dip it. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever it is, you just keep on dipping, and then you take it and you shove it in one bite. Riptide Redemption, thank you very much for the hot dog and for Trapper as well. I'm holding 4.6 billion coins. I'm a Luna millionaire. Gazar, I love it, dude. Congrats on 100k subs. Yan Bing, thank you very much. Yes, I have, and still waiting on verification. Okay, Mickey, interesting. I've seen some people running into trouble with that. I had issues, couldn't select US or country. How's Terra Luna? Oh yeah, don't care. Chris. Chris, it's Luna Classic's doing pretty good today, man. It's doing pretty good. He comes in here. How's Terra Luna Classic doing? Oh yeah, I don't care. Fumão paranoico. Fumão paranoico. Why what, man? Why what? Let's go, LUNC. Let's do it, Wage. AMC Trapper, you love it. He does. Great work, Clay. Thank you, Gazar. Appreciate it. Holy crap, it's happening, guys. We're all going to make it a bras. Let's do it, man. Anyway, to verify KuCoin in the US, I ended up choosing the Canadian option. Yeah, I really don't know what people are having problems with right now. You're killing those hot dogs, bro. Vlad, people like the hot dogs. I don't know why. AMC Trapper walks in and hot dog closely follows. Suspicious. Interesting. If a portfolio is skyrocketing, let's say millions of dollar gains, how do you withdraw all of that? Sean, you'll be able to withdraw all of it. Look, same way you'd be able to withdraw $10, right? You would just go to the withdrawal option. They would audit it to make sure that you didn't receive millions of dollars from like Russia or something right now that is currently sanctioned. And once they see that your funds are legitimate gains, you would be able to withdraw that. Why? I know a lot of people are concerned about the actual dollars, like the cash that would back that up. If you're sitting on millions of gains, maybe the market cap of Terra Luna Classic is a couple billion, or is like maybe $100 billion. Okay. All that's really happening, and all that ever really happens with the financial system across the globe, is a number is written on the screen. All of a sudden, your bank account, let's say you're sitting on $1.4 million in Terra Luna Classic one day. All they do is say, okay, well, we approve that transaction. 1.4 million, I don't know what's going on, if these are fake MOAS candles or what's going on with GameStop and AMC right now, but it actually doesn't seem to be fake news here. Unless it comes, maybe it is. We're going to keep our eyes on that. Yeah, all they do, man, is they send 1.4 million to your bank account. They just transfer that number over to your bank. Now, it's a different story. If all of you guys want to go out and Scrooge McDuck dive into, $50 million worth of coins in your bathroom, nobody. There's only like $2 trillion to $4 trillion cash out in the globe right now, and quadrillions of dollars worth of wealth. So nobody will ever be able to cash out like that. That's the thing. If the entire population went to cash out, that's impossible. But sending it to your bank account, that's not impossible. And I believe that's what everybody means by cash out, is just have that money in your bank. And you can do that. You're just not going to be able to Scrooge McDuck. Like, everybody can't go out and Scrooge McDuck into their millions of dollars. Outdo, bro. Thank you very much. He says this is for Trapper. Got you, Trapper, right now. Clay Bro Peach, baby. Nice and fuzzy today. Oh, yes, Clay Bro Peach. Outdo, bro, man. Thank you very much. And Tim says, Git goop. Git goop. Git goop. Git goop. Git goop, guys. Git goop. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. I like that one, too. I really like that one. Hey, bro. Thanks a lot for supporting videos of LUNC. You gave us faith back in the coin that can rise from the ashes. LUNC equals the phoenix. Jimmy, earnings reports at 5. Ooh, that's where the volatility's coming from. Gotcha, AMC Trapper. So it's not one of those fake MOAS candles. It is the volatility kicking up ahead of the earnings report right now. Very good deal. I did not know that that Terra Luna Classic was reporting earnings today. And my one was backwards. You little backwards one. Get that bad boy right there. All right. Move this slightly as well because we got a little bit of a glare on there. I made it crazy day. What did I miss? Oh, my God, JB, you missed so much today. So much. You missed a lot, dude. Actually, we had a great afternoon at AMC. AMC ran back into the green today. Shiba Inu coin had a nice afternoon, steadily trending higher. Terra Luna Classic breaking new recent highs, touching, I believe, 49,000 points. 48,758 is what we ended up touching on Terra Luna Classic here. 48,758. Massive runs there. And then we got some volatility because of GameStop's earnings report coming out here. Razi says, Razi was a young man. Okay, never mind. Razi, thank you very much for the super sticker. And Michael says, everybody loves kung fu fighting. That dude goes, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Oh, yes, Michael, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that multitude of fist bumps. There were like 600 peeps in the live earlier. Yes, there were, man. 571 is what YouTube said the peak concurrence were in the live stream earlier. Brazil in the house. LUNC $1 December 2022. Eu gostaria muito disso, Gabriel, mas eu não sei se vamos chegar a $1 em 2022. Eu não sei. Mas eu espero que sim. Na verdade, eu sei que isso não é possível em 2022. 600 people, 571. Yes, JB, it got crazy. Man, look at the volatility on GameStop right now. GameStop printing some crazy green candles. Hey, where would you personally cash out crypto? What exchange is the cheapest regarding fees? Honestly, man, I don't know. We're going to have to move the chart on GameStop real quick. GameStop rolling right now, up 20% after hours. Anybody trading GameStop today? AMC following nicely as well, man. AMC up 2% after hours, posting some decent green candles here with the GameStop volatility coming in. People really excited about this. People really excited about this earnings report that GameStop has. Stop showing off, Clay. Well, a sexy Portuguese talk. Ooh, Frodo. Oh my goodness. How do you know I'm not even just making it up, man? How do you know I'm not even just making? I could just be making it up right now. Gabriel isn't it? Parabéns pelo português. Thank you very much, Gabriel. I know it's not good, but thank you very much. Really appreciate that, man. I guess that's proof that I wasn't making it up. Darn it, Gabriel. I'm supposed to be making it up, man. Can you buy through Trust Wallet? I actually don't know if you can buy through Trust Wallet. You might be able to with like MoonPay. If you want to buy it directly on Trust Wallet, you will be paying a higher fee there. But nonetheless, going back to that question, I don't know which exchange has the lowest fee. I would imagine most of them are going to be very similar in withdrawal fees and cash out fees and trading fees and stuff like that. But you know, I do know a 1% difference in trading fees or withdrawal fees would be huge on a multi-million-dollar account. So if it gets to that level, yes, I do think that that is something that we should definitely consider before going out and doing all that. But let's say that you're sitting on KuCoin, Kraken, Coinbase, Crypto.com, whatever, and then you find a different platform is a little cheaper. You're going to have a fee to transfer to that platform, and then you potentially got a fee to withdraw it as well. So you got to consider all fees associated, not just the fact that one is slightly cheaper than your platform, and it's going to cost to transfer from platform to platform as well. So whatever platform you're on right now is most likely going to be the cheapest for you to withdraw from. considering you've got transfer fees to get it to the other exchanges as well. Eu não falo português. Yes, you do, Simon. Eu não falo português. I'll send trap all the bananas. Heck yeah, man. Pepsi or Coke? I would say Pepsi, but I have not had a pop. Dude, I've not had a pop since probably 2005, 2006, sometime around there. So how about Hogwarts Legacy? Are you going to pick it up? Is that like some Harry Potter stuff? Or is that a coin? I don't really know what Hogwarts Legacy is. Fala português. Joaquim Oliveira. What's up, man? Jimmy is taking AMC and Ape with it. It is DD214, and I love to see it. If you hold only 10 million Luna and it goes to 100 again, you have $1 billion and be one of the richest in your country. Suicide Biker Squad. This is true. However, okay, I don't know if we're going to see those prices with you still sitting on 10 million coins. I know it might seem like, yes, it is possible, and it is if you're literally the only guy that holds and doesn't trade. But we need to see active traders if we expect to see massive burns. And we do need to see massive burns for it to ever go to $100 again. So the vast majority, 99.9% of people will have to make trades in order to see it burn that many coins. Anyone see Sam today? Did I break his heart? I don't think I saw Sam in here earlier. ITC has a low transfer fee. Good deal. I'm from Portugal. I know. Nice. Joaquim, very good, man. Of course, if you're from Portugal, you know how to speak Portuguese. LUNC transfer fees are generally like 2 LUNC. The cashing out fee, real money into your checking account, is what I'm talking about. Maybe you do a video one day and the best way to cash out. Yeah, free Bitcoin at Cashapp. I could actually do some research on that and try and find the best way to cash out, because I do think that would be something that a lot of people would be interested in preparing in advance, man. I mean, I don't think anybody's worried about cashing out right this minute, but I do think it's something that people would be interested in knowing, kind of expecting a major rise in the future. Lemonade, Chris. Lemonade. Yes, man. Claybro. Woo! Lemonade for sure, Chris Tar. Lemonade for sure. Or iced tea, dude. People start building on Terra Luna Classic LUNC. Julian, I believe yes. Okay? I believe yes. I wish I knew more about development on blockchain, but unfortunately I don't. I think the sheer excitement and the sheer marketing power that Terra Luna Classic has right now will undoubtedly draw developers. I mean, think about that. And the hype might not last forever, right? We understand that it might not last forever, but if you're a developer, an app developer, blockchain or Web3, whatever people are calling it these days, and you can build on one of the most popular platforms, there's no denying that Terra Luna Classic is one of, it might not be the, but one of the most popular platforms in the world at the moment. And if you could build on that and make a name for yourself, I believe you would be drawn to it. Now, I wish that I knew how to develop. I wish I knew all of that stuff. Unfortunately, I do not. But I do believe that that is going to bring people in and draw them in. So if we can keep this excitement going, if people see the future and can strategize about a reducing supply and building up utility on the chain, I believe yes, man. Clearo, the FTX news is real. 100. The FTX news on... Oh, man, what is the FTX news? Darn it. I didn't see the FTX news about... Is it about Voyager or something? Are they taking over Voyager or what is it? Matt Core's calling PLBY at 20. Then what happened? Ooh, a Lotish Fishman. I don't know. PLBY? I don't even know what's going on with PLBY. Ooh, jeez, I don't know. Look at this weekly chart, man. I wouldn't want to touch it. I wouldn't want to touch it. It's been destroyed. I do like that the... let's see, price to book. I like that the book value per share is roughly $9. I do think it's a possibility to get back up to book value. That's basically your equity that you have in the company, assets minus liabilities. So I believe that book value is a decent target, and that's at $9.20. Do I think it can go back to 20? Yeah, it's a possibility to get back to 20. You got some major resistance at 6. You got some major resistance at 8. You got some very major resistance at 14, and then you're talking that $20 range. I don't think it's going to be easy. I don't know what this stock is. Simply looking at the graph, looking at some technicals over there with the price, or some fundamentals with the price to book and the book value. I do think it's a possibility. I wouldn't touch it, though. I don't like that stock right there. This is just, that's way too much loss for me, man. Way too much loss for me to be comfortable buying PLBY. If it goes to 20, solid. If everyone owns the circulating supply, whose tokens will be burnt? Exactly. ORL. Exactly. Oh, FTX and GME. Gosh, dude, I did. What's the news on that? You know what's funny? Hold on. I got a cough. This is crazy. Real boss man. You know what's funny? I see that vision on the Shiba. Real boss man. Exactly. Okay. Like no doubt. Once Shibarium comes out, it's the same deal. You've got a layer 2 blockchain at that point that is going to draw in developers. Shiba Inu coin still has one of the strongest communities and marketing potentials of any coin that is out there, and I do agree with that. It's basically the same deal, man. And then he says that's exactly what Shib is doing with Shibarium. Yes, I agree. Does Do Kwon still own LUNC? I would imagine he's still got some, but I have no idea what he owns. Wait, if there was a such thing as Ohio, a window licker super sticker, how would you perform this amazing sticker? Would eye contact be important? Asking for Pudgy. Eye contact is always important, okay? Always. And I guess we're just going to have to wait and find out, man. I don't plan these super stickers out. If I see a new one, it's just whatever the first thing that pops into my mind is, and that's what it is. Unfortunately, until we get an Ohio super window licker sticker. Window licker sticker. I like it. We're just going to have to wait and see what that would look like. But yes, there's no strategy in preparing for super stickers. It's all just off the cuff. Terra Luna Classic pulling back a little bit right now, going from 48,000 to 46,000. Got a little bit of a 5% decline going on right there. Purple lines on the screen at the moment. We might be getting another buying opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. We get some big old purple lines coming in Terra Luna Classic right now. A decent little sell-off if you guys are interested in picking up more. Not a bad deal. How high is AMC going to go? Master. Hopefully to all-time highs. Beyond that, I don't know how high it's going to go. At this point, my $1,000 dream price has become a $500 dream price because of Ape. But Ape would rise as well. If AMC was rising up, Ape would rise as well. But yeah, I really don't know. It's really going to be dependent on how bad Adam Aaron dilutes AMC shareholders with Ape. What are the upcoming LUNC resistance and support levels? Looking to compound holdings and participate in burns. William, good deal, man. Support down here at 44,000 points per coin is the next level of intraday support that we broke through earlier over here and started to run up. We got to go out to it like a daily chart if you want to see the next resistance level. And we got to scroll in drastically, man. Let's see. Gosh, that's... Hold on. We might have to go to an hourly chart. All right, so we're on an hourly chart here, and we see Terra Luna Classic absolutely just destroying it. The next level of resistance is going to be 58,000 points. How do I get that? I took the hourly chart and went all the way back to when it fell. I'm not going to go that far back because it's very difficult to see on this chart. So the next level of technical resistance is going to be 58,000. I would imagine 50,000. It gives us a little trouble because it's a nice round number and people like putting their take profits at nice round numbers. So this 50 may give us trouble if we can't break through this 49 here. Beyond that, 58. Here's the beautiful part. If you're simply looking at the graph, you don't have any resistance till you get to 1/4 cent. Look at this. If you're only looking at the graph, and when we fell down from glory way back when in May, you don't get resistance again. It's a 1 hour candle that took us, this 1 hour candle took us from 1/4 cent down to 58,000 points per coin. Okay, that's how far it declined on that 1 hour candle. 1 hour, it dropped from a quarter of a cent all the way down to here. So if we're using that as resistance now on the way back up, we would do the same thing. Now, I know it's a different story. We've got more coins outstanding now. People could, if they're taking 1,000% gains, they might be more willing to take profit at that point. There could be a lot that causes new resistance levels. But these are the lines I've got on the chart simply based on previous price action on the 1 hour graph. Nice. What is this? 10, 20, almost 30% gain to the next major level of resistance from where we are right now. And we're watching some purple lines on the chart right now for Terra Luna Classic. Okay, after hours on AMC and GME looking very good right now. Don't spam. Nobody spam. Nobody spam. Nobody spam. Please, nobody spam. Delisting Luna and Luna FTX is delisting Luna and Luna Classic. Marquise, that doesn't make any sense, man. Why would they do that? Real boss, man. I've made more on LUNC than Shib. Sick of hearing soon. I break the internet. All these dumb stuff hype that they've never fulfilled. Talks horse crap walks. Money talks, horse crap walk. Oh, okay, gotcha. I was like, money talks, stocks. That's what it is. Money talks. And Tim, that's not to say that Shiba Inu coin isn't going to do extremely well during the next bull market. I believe that it will. I really do. If you're looking at Bitcoin and you know wanting to talk major crap about Bitcoin right now because it is drastically lower. You know, I believe Bitcoin, yes, when the next bull market comes, I believe Bitcoin's going to be back up $30, $40, $50, $60,000, $70,000, maybe $80, $90, $100,000 one day. But we need the bull market to get us there. And because Shiba Inu coin is following Bitcoin so closely right now, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin can absolutely return to these prices. But we need that bull market to get there. I really don't know if we can do it detached from the overall crypto market, unless Shibarium comes out and this game comes out and gives us fantastic news. But just the same way you would arbitrage if Shiba Inu coin was trading on Webull at 1232 and it was trading on Coinbase at 2,000 points per coin. Same way you would arbitrage between the different prices in different exchanges, you can arbitrage between the different movement in different cryptocurrencies. Shiba's sitting still, so maybe you kind of calm down on Shiba for a moment and you jump into Luna Classic. You know, you can arbitrage the movement as well, and I know a lot of people are doing that right now, trying to jump back in and see some gains here in something that is moving, and it seems to be working out very well for a lot of people. Oh, man, I gotta take another drink. My throat is acting weird. Got that after hours popping AMC, Ape, and GME. Seems like the short's grasp on these stocks are loosening. Moon soon. I hope moon soon. GameStop having some good news after hours so far, encouraging some decent gains. 10% in GameStop, 1% in AMC. Ape is up 2% after hours. So yes, some absolutely decent gains in AMC, GameStop, and Ape after hours right now. Seems like no news on Luna right now. Everyone is on LUNC. You know what? Yeah, Luna, the Luna 2.0, I don't really care too much about that, man. I don't really care to follow Do Kwon and the guys that abandoned their project. I don't like the abandonment there. Nigran JLW 0067 puts us at the same market cap as on 4/3/22 on LUNC. Yes, man. It's somewhere right below that. Whatever the peak market cap is going to be somewhere right below that 1 penny mark. 0067. I don't know if that was the peak price point, but yes, dude. Imagine, and that's doable. Right? That's doable without burns. Imagine what happens when you get burns going in there. 50% of the supply is burnt. All of a sudden, you're talking 1.2 cents. 90% of the supply is burnt. All of a sudden, dude, you might be talking 6 cents. Think about that, man. All of a sudden, 99s, but you guys are talking half a cent or 50 cents to $1 at that point. Once the burns kick in, that number right there is going to be incredibly higher to get us back to the same market cap. It is going to be nice, man. Wait, on May 14th on my daily chart, I have a candle at the bottom of 0.0006 and top wick at 0.00085. 14th on my daily chart. I don't know if I can. On what 14th? Dang it. It's gonna blow me up, man. I'm not gonna be able to do it on a daily chart here. I don't know if you're talking about this candle. No, that goes all the way up to $1. I mean, this day right here, this one day, you guys can see it, went from $1.07, one day, $1.07, down to basically, I don't even know what this is, man, a cent, less than a cent. I really don't know where this, I guess I can see where this candle ends. The low. I can't even scroll over that far. Oh, there it is. The high, $1.38 on this candle right here. The low, 0.00026. Imagine that. Imagine rolling on the same day from 0.00026 to $1.38. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but can you imagine going from a quarter of a cent all the way to $1.38 in the same day? Incredible potential. Yes, forgot to mention, without burns. Dude, that's the best part. It can go all the way up to a half a cent without burns, man, just to get to the same market cap that it had before. That's the incredible part. Heck yeah, Negron. Tim, talking about smack foot, bro. Shib ain't burning. Seriously, something you got. God, man, I don't know what's going on right now. Don't fight, guys. Don't fight. Please, no, don't fight. Diff Dog is back in the chat. When will I receive my free long sleeve hoodie? Divvy Dog, darn it, man. I sent it to JB. I sent your free long sleeve hoodie to JB, man. I don't know what to do about that. What are we gonna do? Gotta talk to JB about it, man. How do you buy shares of crypto? I've never done it. Rob, so there are several ways to buy it, man. I don't know if you're on Webull. I don't know if you are, like, what platform you are on. But if you're on Webull, you can absolutely, there's a crypto section. You got like 4 buttons on the bottom of the screen. If you click the little Saturn-looking button or the world-looking button, whatever it is, and you click on that, and it pulls up all your market information. You can click on cryptos in the top right, on the top almost right-hand side of the screen, and it's going to bring up all of the cryptocurrencies that are available to purchase on Webull. You can also download platforms like KuCoin, Kraken, Coinbase, Crypto.com. There are several brokers or exchanges that allow you to trade in strictly cryptocurrency. So it depends on where you want to hold it. You can even buy on Robinhood. If you're on Robinhood, they have some cryptocurrency available. But the same way you would buy a stock, you can buy a crypto. And in the same way you sell, you just click the sell button, and it would allow you to sell that crypto. So it is very simple in order to do that. I don't know what platform you're on, though. Karthikeya, man, thank you for the super chat. Karthikeya says, in India, Wazirk's launching a new coin called SHM, which has its own blockchain and have smart contracts and same stuff like Ethereum. Karthikeya, very nice, man. I have not seen anything about SHM, but if you guys want to check out SHM, I would make sure to do so. Obviously, I don't know anything about it, but it sounds like it could be something cool if it's very similar to Ethereum, man. And I know the cryptocurrency industry in India is growing very quick. You guys have a lot of crypto apps that have a lot of users downloading them. It's mine. You can't have it, JB. Heck yeah, man. I tell you, LUNC is doing that pump cheeky pump pump cheeky cheeky 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 boom. You're welcome, Rob. LUNC forever. Woohoo! $1 soon. Let's get it, Tech. I hope so. Appreciate you, Clay. Always support and subscriber for life. 100. Oh, wag me. And don't forget Bone. Heck no, man. Heck no. I don't own any Bone right now, but I do believe Bone is going to grow if the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem continues to grow. JB Long, no long sleeve hoodie, stroking while driving. Yeah, don't do none of that, man. Don't do none of that when you're not driving. Robust, man. I was so in the green on Shib, my guy. Kept my original investment, cost average, 0.98. I'm happy to ask silly questions to make more money. Definitely, man. Definitely. Oh, no, I think I missed something, man. I jumped questions. Appreciate the info. Sorry to anyone who thinks that's a silly question. No. Dude, listen. There's 281 people in here, man. There's no such thing as a silly question, right? If you have a legitimate question about how to buy crypto, where to buy crypto, what is crypto, like anything, please don't be ashamed to ask if you want to get in and potentially make some money. Oh, sorry, guys. It's the rarity of the hoodie. It's like the white rhino. It really is rare, man. Me and JB are the only ones with that, with the Chip Bro hoodie. There's some other people that have bro hoodies, but yeah, Chip Bro hoodie. Nope, just us. So the Clayton merch t-shirts, $9.99. It's pump and a dump. Diffie, that was the Black Friday sale, man. But actually, I don't have any t-shirts, so don't buy one if you don't want to wait a minute to get a new t-shirt. LUNC will make my kids rich. Zishan, I absolutely hope so. What do you think LUNC will be at by May? Which we only Razi, I honestly, I can't say, man. I hope that we've already burnt like 50% of the supply by May. That would be incredible to me. But I really don't know. It's Pepe Bro. Pepe Bro! I only see Pepe. Where's the bro at? That's right, Clay. His bone will begin to grow. Watching all this. Oh, God. I mean, dude, facts. When you see nothing but gains, man, it does something to you. When you see gains, it does something to you. I agree with Frodo on that one. What does burn mean? So, Daniel, the same way if you took a dollar bill, caught it on fire, and burnt it, you can never use that dollar bill again. That's what burning these coins means. What happens is you take them and you send them to a wallet. You send them to an address that cannot be accessed by anybody. And once you do that, and they are no longer usable or accessible by anybody in the world, it takes them out of circulation. And when you take it out of circulation and it can never be used, it reduces the overall supply. So doing that, reducing the supply, basically allows for an increase in price. It doesn't guarantee an increase in price, but it allows for an increase in price over time as demand remains the same. And if demand remains the same, supply is reduced, and you maintain that same level, then the price has to increase. So that's the idea behind burning, but it essentially means that you're removing them from circulation forever. They are burnt. They are done. Imagine a short sleeve hoodie. My girlfriend would leave me if I wore it. I'm going to send Debbie Dog a short sleeve hoodie. What's this crypto run today? Purchased some Ethereum today at 1520. I might just swing trade to 8. Listen, I don't think that's a bad idea, dude. Swing trading at 1520 to 1640. It's not a bad run at all. I don't know what's causing this run up, but we had a nice day overall. I don't know if the Fed, somebody from the Fed had a speech today. I don't know if they said something positive, but Ethereum going on a nice run. Shiba Inu coin going on a nice run. Bitcoin even going on a nice run today. I mean, you can see the gains there as well. Terra Luna Classic obviously going on a nice run today. Overall, breaking through these levels of resistance and moving much, much higher on the day. And even the overall market, right? The overall market had a very strong day today as well, moving steadily higher and closing 2% higher on the day. So stocks and crypto had a decent day today. And I don't really know what the rally is other than the fact that the Fed did speak today, and they may have said something positive. But it wasn't Jerome Powell that was talking. It was just somebody else that works at the Fed. Let's see. LUNC is great, but you don't have to sell your Shib for it. It's just saying. This is true. This is absolutely true. And that's why I was saying earlier, you know, if you absolutely have to and you want to get into Terra Luna Classic, yes. But I have not shaved my Shiba Inu coin for any other coin. I shaved my Shiba Inu coin when the market was basically crashing and Bitcoin fell through 30,000. Was the last time I shaved Shiba Inu. 312 in here. Hit the like. Oh, yes, guys, do hit the like button. Can we get more likes than we had in the previous stream today? I do not know. Let's go. This is the right time to buy LUNC right now. Please guide me. Abdullah Hamdani. I'm going to tell you right now, man, that I don't know. I don't know. Let me put it this way. If you're asking for the perfect time to buy, I don't think anybody can determine the perfect time to buy. Yes, we could sell off. Yes, we could rise and never look back. Terra Luna Classic is extremely volatile, and nobody can judge the perfect time. If you're saying, do I believe Terra Luna Classic can go higher than the current price? My answer is yes. I do believe it can go higher than the current price. Once the burns kick in, once the supply is reduced and all of that, I do believe Terra Luna Classic can absolutely go higher than it is right now. But the risk is, if you're looking for the perfect entry, do I also think that it can go back down to 30,000 points per coin before we rise again? I do. It's just because it is so volatile. If you look at this 30-minute chart, you can see that we tapped 44,000 points per coin, came all the way back down to 33. You know, you can see that we traded around in this channel right here for a while before breaking up. So there's a lot of volatility when it comes to Terra Luna Classic. The perfect price is going to be impossible to gauge. But I do believe that we can see prices higher than we are right now. So is it the right time? I guess it depends on if you're asking, is it the perfect time? Tim, I've actually been feeling pretty great. Thanks. Good. Peak of power. Feeling good. I love it. Bro, I've tweeted in the last 2 days alone 834 LUNC tweets. Oh my god. Dark Bro, dude, that is insane, man. Oh my gosh. Dark Bro is doing his part. We gotta give it to him there. You need to groom your Shiba Inu more often. Facts on that, man. You gotta make sure your Shiba Inu is taken care of. LUNC will explode in a half hour. I might not be live to see it explode then, darn it. Wish I was. Freddie! 9-month member chat. Hello, my bro peeps. Sorry it has been so long. Miss you all. Freddie, I love it, dude. Freddie, you doing good? It has been a while. I like how the dude says bro peeps. It has been a while, man. You doing okay? Everybody okay there? Hey, Clay bro, greetings from Holland. Greetings from Ohio, Roy Wolgen. Glad to have you in here, man. Let's see. Don't stop believing. John J, absolutely ship my Shiba profits because let's be real, it'll be at 12x66 for most of this soon. It doesn't mean LUNC can. Hey, you are right, Tim. You're right. And the next catalysts I see are the game and Shibarium. I believe that the game and Shibarium can shoot Shiba Inu coin higher. Do I think that it's guaranteed to? No, but I absolutely think that there will be some hype around that. Volatility is your friend, especially if you're trading. It's the right time to buy LUNC if you plan on holding to the next bull market. Marquise, I like the way you put it, man. I like the way you put it. I do believe during the next bull market we will see prices higher than the current prices, literally on all of the cryptos, but on Terra Luna Classic as well. Congrats on 100K, bro. William, man, thank you very much. He says, yeah, don't stop singing. Don't stop, or stop singing. Dang it, man. I don't know which one it is. AMC Trapper. Is it don't stop singing? Is it stop singing? Nobody knows. Dark Bro, gonna single-handedly drive social media searches. Dark Bro, I know you will. 800 plus tweets in a couple-day period. You are definitely causing the trends. Dark Bro is single-handedly causing LUNC to trend on Twitter. Dark Bro is the man, dude. Lots of love from Denmark. Mike, lots of love from Ohio, dude. Everybody stop buying other crypto and buy a Luna Classic. Only Luna, only Luna, only Luna. Don't buy anything else. Guys, buy whatever you want. It's okay. It's okay. You can buy whatever you want. Bro, love your positivity. Always smile. You're giving the bros as much as a Luna is giving hope. Ahmed. Appreciate the positive feedback, man. Thank you very much. I have hard days too. I have bad days as well. But I'm going to tell you right now, you got to look on the bright side of things. How about I set a limit in my Binance that if it drops below my buying price, it automatically sell it off. Isn't it a safe thing to do? Asking for Luna. Yeah, Abdullah, if you want to set a stop loss so that if you're buying it, if you're buying it right now and you don't want to lose any money, you can have that stop loss. If you want to add more to your position and it's falling below your buy-in price and you want to buy more to average down, absolutely. Buy and sell limits and stops are there for a reason. They work out great sometimes. They don't work out great sometimes. So just an example today, that's AMC. I was in the QQQ earlier today. and I stopped out as it was downtrending here with a 15% gain. I would have experienced a 50% loss if I didn't stop out. This would have been a 50% loss right here. Now, I saved myself from having to go through another loss, but it would have been better if I didn't stop out and just held and it rose higher. So they do have their pros, they do have their cons, man. But nonetheless, use them if it makes you comfortable. Freddie! Thank you very much for the super chat. Just to show my boys some support, Freddie, man. Thank you very much. And just to show my boys some support, everybody, give a little shout out to Freddie right now, man. Freddie, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And show Freddie some support. Show Freddie, show Freddie, show Freddie, show Freddie, show Freddie. Show Freddie some support right now, guys. Freddie, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Really appreciate you, man. And all the support, guys. Even if your support is just clicking the like button, there's almost no doubt in my mind that if everybody clicked the like button in here, YouTube would recommend this to that many more people, and we'd probably have double the amount of people in here. So take 2 seconds, close out of the live chat, click the thumbs up, and click live chat one more time. You won't regret it, and it absolutely helps out the channel. Look at that, man. Freddie, respect Freddie, Freddie, Freddie. Hey, Freddie. Oh, yes. I'll go Freddie, Freddie for president. Lecker, Freddie. Oh, yeah, Freddie, Freddie, Freddie. Awesome. Freddie, man, that is some support for Freddie. I love it, dude. Thank you, guys, man. Thank you. And it is true that I don't know if they ran out, but they stopped their margin trading right now. I don't know if that means they ran out of Luna Classic or if they've just suspended their margin trading on Terra Luna Classic, but yes, that is true. Ahmed Rezk, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat, Ahmed, man. Thank you very much for the support, dude. Really appreciate you. You guys are absolutely awesome, man. You support Voyager. Is it able to withdraw and sell crypto now or something? So no, you can't do your crypto just yet. If you have any US dollars there, you're able to take your fiat out. But as far as crypto goes, they're still going through their bankruptcy proceedings, and you're unable to transfer or withdraw or even deposit cryptocurrency onto the platform right now. Now, I would like to say that VGX coin is actually moving up very nicely in price recently, which means that people are excited about what's happening there. And with that excitement, it may be, in anticipation of the bankruptcy proceedings ending. I hope that's the case, but nonetheless, man, it's got to go through the court system and this bankruptcy to be over before they allow you to transfer your crypto. Next conquest I will start is Claybro to 1 million subscribers. Oh, yes. Pika, enjoy your day. I have to leave early, but Pika, enjoy your day. I hope you're feeling okay right now. Thank you very much for hanging out with us for most of the day today. Dark Bro, let's go, man. 1 million. We can do it. All we got to do is 10x. Think about it. I started the channel, there's 0 subscribers. We basically infinity X'd from having 0 subscribers to now. We can easily 10x, guys. Come on. Sorry to keep asking. I am FS. Do I need a VPN to buy a LUNC on KuCoin? So T plays. A lot of people are actually having trouble buying Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin at the moment. I don't know if it's are you in their platform and just unable to buy? Or are you having problems verifying yourself? Because most of the problems I've seen are verification problems. And it's okay. If I miss your question, dude, please ask it again. Just copy and paste it or type it again. I have no problem with that. Toquan no more. LUNC belongs to the community. We are the community, so we control the coin, not the Shib devs. And you know what, Tech? I really don't believe the Shib developers control the coin either. I really don't think that they control Shiba Inu coin. The community does control Shiba Inu coin as well. I was your #1 subscriber. Mr. Simon, I'll let you think that. I will let you think that for a while. I do know who the first subscriber was, though. Wait, what are the biggest benefits of locking up LUNC, and how do I find the best lockout place and make a video? Okay, so William, I can try to do a video on that. I will give you this answer here, though, right now. Pros and cons. I always like to point out the pros and cons of staking. Pros, you make passive income, you provide liquidity to the blockchain, voting rights and voting power, and a belief, a like put your money where your mouth is belief in the future of that project. Okay? Those are like the 4 main benefits of staking. The cons, there's really only one, and it's the fact that you lose liquidity. So if Terra Luna Classic runs up to $1 tomorrow and your coins are staked, you will not be able to sell those coins. And that's going to be pretty hard to swallow if the next day it's back down to a penny. You lock your coins up. So any short-term price action, you're not going to be able to take advantage of it depending on how long of a period you stake for. So that's the major con, is that you lose your liquidity in that sense. So yeah, that's the major differences there. It does have pros, but it's got a major con as well if you're trying to take advantage of the the price action. SD was your first subscriber, and Ape Father, aka Richard LaFoy. Richard is the man. Listen, I know you guys don't like Ape Father too much, or some of you don't, but I like Ape Father. And for some reason, man, I think he's like my brother's favorite YouTuber. Well beyond me. My brother's like, you put another video out? Great. Ape Father put 50 videos out today. What are you doing with your life? That guy has literally, in the last year, he's been on YouTube for like a year. He's posted 8,500 videos. Dude, I thought I posted mass amounts of content on YouTube. Like, I thought I was guerrilla warfare when it came to posting on YouTube. He's got 8,500 videos. Single-handedly. I mean, he's not some company that's got 20 guys working there. Single-handedly posted 8,500 videos. The Ape Father's a machine, guys, whether you like it or not. Wow, what do Clay? New subscriber here, Tresden, man. Thank you very much for smashing that subscribe button. Don't lock your LUNC tokens. Next transport. It's not bad though. If you don't want to sell, if you want to be forced to hold, it's another way to look at it. That could be a pro. Maybe you really want to hold for the future, and you don't want to be tempted to sell in the meantime. Stake your tokens. You got no choice at that point. No choice at all. Your brother is horrible to AMC Trapper. Oh, man. Look, I think the Ape Father, I really do think the Ape Father is a good guy. I think the Ape Father loves the attention. I think he's an entertainer. And I think he's got good intentions as well. But yeah, he's definitely not everybody's cup of tea when it comes to his entertainment style. Father goes live and take it. Yes. Simon, that's the thing. That's the thing that I don't necessarily understand. But that dude posts some massive amounts of content. Short interest is 16.9%. Is that high? Yes, Keith, that is high. It's not extremely high. Average, I believe the average is between 8 and 10. We can double check that right now. But I believe the average is between 8 and 10% short interest. All right, so this is going to be slightly different. These numbers right here are slightly different. This says the average short interest on an S&P 500 stock is anywhere from 1 to 3%. Let's see, let's go small cap. Small cap stock. See if we can get an average anywhere. If anybody's got a quick average on the headlines. All right, I don't see any quick averages on these headlines by Googling it, but I will say this. When I was doing a lot of research on short interest back in early 2021 when AMC was ripping, the average short interest that I came across written about was 10%. So anything below 10% is like not short squeezable. Anything above 10% does seem to get pretty high. Average days to cover, I believe average days to cover above 10 was was the number that they said was a risk factor for short shares as well. So kind of just use that 10 number, and that's what I had read. I cannot provide the sources for that right now because I don't remember what they were. I just remember reading so many articles about AMC and short interest and averages and stuff like that. Basically use 10 and 10. 10 days to cover is a risk for short shares, and 10% short interest is relatively the average when it comes to how much stocks are shorted. Ahmed, thank you again for the super chat, man. Really appreciate you. Clipper, check out my Twitter post. Conquest has begun. Let's see it. Conquest has begun. Dark Bro, did he tag me? Let's see if he tagged me. mentions AMC Trapper 33 minutes ago. Thank you very much for that. Dark Bro, did you tag me? My goodness, man. Oh, God. Oh. I don't know if he tagged me. Dark Bro, Dark Matter, yes. Dark Matter's last tweet. There it is. Oh, yes. 2 minutes ago from Dark Matter right there, sharing the live stream. I love it, guys. We are going 1 million subscribers. You know, we actually could hit 1 million very, very quickly. And this is like, we don't need to hit 1 million anytime soon. But if the 308 people in here actually consistently shared live streams, videos, and so on, it would be faster than Burns on getting to 1 million subscribers. It truly would. It would be so fast. The 300 of you, your guys' Facebook pages, I know you've got 300 Facebook friends. Your Twitter feeds, you've got probably 50 people on your Twitter. Instagram's another one. You guys know people in real life. It would so quickly spread like wildfire that, yeah, man, it really would get to those levels. AMC Trapper says, what is this? Yes, I saw it, dude. I liked it, too. Funny how my precious metals are doing better than any crypto I own. Hey, roulette wheel. Now's the time for precious metals to do well, though. If you're looking at the global uncertainty and all of the fear that's going on out there, precious metals always do very well during times of uncertainty. When you've got the doom and gloom guys coming out, that is an amazing time to load up on gold, silver, and really anything else. It's a commodity in that sense. Look at this jump. Let's do it, man. Shiba Inu coin is looking okay right now. Terra Luna Classic sitting kind of down at the moment, 45,000 points per coin. AMC still doing well after hours, up about 0.5%. GameStop doing very well, up 12% after hours right now. My Facebook is closed. Tech, mine is as well. But I know you guys got friends. That's all I'm saying. I'll tell all my friends, crypto night, let's make it happen. Could you imagine if we did, though? Could you imagine if we actually did hit 1 million subscribers? Like, look, I'm going to tell you guys, you know, this is 100,000 is beyond incredible. It really is. 1 million would be amazing when we get there. I am completely fine with organic growth. Not going out, buying subscribers, running advertising campaigns to people who may or may not like my content, stuff like that. Allowing the content to speak for itself. If people want to share it, they share it. If they don't want to share it, they don't share it and stuff. So I am beyond thankful and grateful for the 100,000 that we've hit in the last couple days here. 1 million, yes, will be a major milestone. If we ever reach it, at that point, man, you're like, I don't even know what to say about that point. Share it on my Twitter, bro. But I'm a nobody. Tyler, everybody is a somebody, man. Everybody is a somebody. I'm going to tell you that right now. You are not a nobody. And another place to share, if you guys actually don't want to share it with your family and friends, if you don't want people knowing that you like Clay Bro, that you invest in crypto, that you've got stocks and so on, you can make an account on StockTwits. And they're a platform where you can see all these different stocks and so on, but you can just have it show up in the feed. You don't need friends on there. If you show it, or if you share a video, it shows up in the feed, and then it'll just get lost in the feed, man. If you get 100 messages a minute going by, maybe a couple people will see it, maybe they won't. But, you know, you can do that as well. And thank you in advance if you guys do. My frankincense and myrrh are doing very well. Frankincense and myrrh got to be killing it right now, Remy. That's the thing, though. You can actually buy, if you buy essential oils, yes, you can get frankincense. And you could probably get myrrh as well. There we go. Fix the tweet. Tweeted another tweet on the tweet of the tweets. Dark bro. Tweeting it out, baby. Just shared to my Facebook, to my buds. Hope one subscribe. Hey, Steven, man. If they do, if you see them in here, let me know. I'll shout you and your friend out, man. So you guys can have a good time and hang out in here. If you regularly hang out in the live streams and have some fun, I would love to shout you guys out too, man. And be like, oh, dude, Steven's cool, man. You know, what are you talking about? This guy's the man. Only have 2 million on Luna. Nick, nothing wrong with that, dude. That's a nice play. Thanks, bro. Having trouble with verification. US ain't on there. Do I deposit, transfer crypto from somewhere else to get to go around? Hopefully it makes sense. Other options to buy link if not come good. T-Play. So I believe that you can buy on crypto.com. I have a crypto.com link with affiliate link there, but I just changed my password and applied for an affiliate link with Kraken. So if you want to wait a minute, I will have an affiliate link. If you don't want to wait a minute, I have seen that it is very easy to get it on Kraken as well. So Kraken is another platform. They've got over 1 million downloads on Android, another decent size platform. If you're not looking for a smaller one like Mexi Global and stuff, but they're another decent size platform that you should be able to buy it off of. And if you want to wait for the affiliate link, go ahead. If not, it's okay. Jonathan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Jonathan says, congratulations on 100,000 subs. It's been a while, but I'm still a bro, Jonathan. I love it. It's not been that long, Jonathan. It's been about what, man? Weren't you in here like about a week ago? Or was it before I went on vacation now? I'm going to tell you, when I was on vacation and when I was sick with the C word, I mean, that time kind of went fast. I don't really remember that time too much. So anything about 2 weeks ago, I kind of forget what was going on there anyway. So if it's been since then, man, Jonathan, so glad to have you back in here. But your name, I definitely do know. Jonathan Lawson, I always remember that name because if you guys haven't watched Tick Tick Boom, the dude's name is Jonathan Larson in that show. And I guess a very successful, well, I don't know how successful actually. I'm not going to ruin the whole story for you, but he's the guy that wrote Rent. And Rent was like one of the longest running musicals on Broadway. So check out Tick Tick Boom if you haven't watched it. It's actually a good movie with Andrew Garfield. It's on Netflix. But your name always reminds me of Jonathan Larson. So yes, dude, I definitely recognize your name and will always know that name. Jonathan, man, thank you for being in here and hanging out with us. No ignore AMC Trapper. I will never ignore AMC Trapper. You're awesome, Clay, bro. Keith, you're awesome, man. Hey, Keith, I got a shirt for you, dude. I got a shirt for you. I don't plan on going to the post office this week, maybe this weekend or something, but I do have a shirt for you. I got gray or black. So you're going to have to let me know. DM me or something what you want. I don't know if I'll see it in here, but gray or black, man. I do have a shirt for you. You get one of the smalls, dude. You're in here every day. You're too cool to not get a shirt. You missed Tim Hogan's super chat. Oh my gosh, why would I miss Tim's super chat? What is going on? Where is Tim? Now I know why AMC Trapper wanted me to see this super chat. AMC Trapper loves the hot dogs and bananas, man. I am telling you. Tim, dude, thank you for the hot dog. Well, you know how to properly eat a hot dog? You take the hot dog and you dip it. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever the dip is, you dip it down, man, and then you take it and you shove it. Damn, dude, thank you very much for the super sticker. I'm very, very sorry I missed it. I promise you guys, I will always go back and hit a super chat that I missed. I will never miss a super chat. That is like the rudest thing you could possibly do. I don't care what it is. I mean, if you got bad words or something in it, I'm not gonna read the bad words, but I don't care what it is. It's like the rudest thing you can do to intentionally ignore a super chat. So I will never, ever do that. And very sorry if I do miss one, but please do not feel like Tim, somebody do not feel like you're kind of being annoying or whatever if you say, dude, you missed my super chat. Go back and see it. Hey, that is my number one no, man. My number one no. I try my best to hit every single chat, and acknowledge everybody's questions, everybody's comments, and all of that stuff. But I will never miss a super chat, even if they're lined up and I got to go back and just sit there for a half hour to hit all the super chats. I will never miss one, man. Imrani, my day's actually doing very well today, man. How's your day going? We're about to get nuts in the chat. Let's do it later, Tim. Have a good night. Tim, enjoy your evening. Hopefully you saw that super chat, man. Very, very sorry that I missed it, man. Well, it was paid for. Yes, it was. I'll hit you up on Twitter. Keith, good deal, man. Good deal. Let's see. PLBY, the next BBBY. Ape Love Ape. I saw that earlier. I don't like the graph. I don't like stocks that just only ever fall. But if you're thinking about getting in, okay, please know that it's a major risk. But we looked at the resistance levels. I think you got $6, $8, $14, and then your $20 mark. So I know people have been talking about PLBY potentially hitting the $20 mark. You've got a lot of resistance on the way back up. And you're talking weekly chart on the way back up. Potentially weeks to get there. But it was like 6, 8, 14, and then $20 that you're going to have your resistance levels. Personally, I don't think I'm going to touch it. I don't really like that graph at all. Dark Bro, LUNC to $1 and Clay Bro to 1 million. Don't be rude now. Don't be rude, but answer this question. What happens first? Luna Classic to $1 or Clay Bro to 1 million? I want to know. Don't make me do a poll because I don't want it to cover up the chat. Just say Clay Bro or LUNC in the chat. Or 1 million or $1 in the chat, whatever you guys want to say. But I want to know what your actual thoughts on there. Because look, Claybro's got a 10x. The YouTube channel would have to 10x. Terra Luna Classic has to much more than 10x to get to $1. Now, obviously, there's a lot more hype surrounding Terra Luna Classic than there is surrounding Claybro. So I want to know your guys' thoughts on that. Have some fun with it. Night, everyone. Join the Discord. Oh, yes, guys. There is a Discord in the description below. Absolutely free. Make sure to join that. And I got to say, dude, JB is absolutely incredible in that Discord. JB is a freaking workhorse, man. The dude takes care of everything. And he knows a lot about Discord. I'm telling you right now, there's a lot going on in there, and JB's the absolute man. We got LUNC at Claybro, LUNC 1 milli, Claybro, LUNC, Claybro 1 milli. Oh man, it's definitely 50-50 split. Claybro, either or. I like it, Aaron. Ty, LUNC, we've either or neither. Another overtime. I don't think we're gonna go too much longer right now. My throat is actually, I'm coughing way too much to go too much longer here. I am having a blast right now, but my throat's messing up way too much to keep going. Clay's pumping, let's get it. LUNC and Clay the same. Dude, I might actually cry tears if Terra Luna Classic hit $1 and we hit 1 million on here in the same day. That would be wild. Discard. Hey, the Discard is really fun, man. If you guys aren't in the Discord, it's basically an extension of this chat, okay? If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Let me close out of that. Let me throw the link just in case you guys want to check it out. I'll pin it really quick, but we are about to leave. So if you guys do want to join the Discord, very easy. Just get in, click the rules and verification, and click that little green check mark, and you're going to be verified. So you're good to go. It's just to show you're not a bot and whatever. But it's basically an extension of this chat right here. And then you've got the supporters. If you're a green name, you got access to that chat. If you want to talk simply stocks, there's an AMC, a Luna Classic, a GameStop, NFT, Shiba Inu coin. There's a lot of different sections that you can jump into if you don't want to talk in the general discussion page. But nonetheless, man, absolutely a blast in there too. So join the Discord if you guys do want to. Really appreciate anybody that does that. Same time, Vasily says same time. A good night, peeps. You too, Freddie, Whiskey, Claybro, 10x first. Let's get it. Keith says LUNC first. Luna is going first. Discord link is expired. Is it? It was working this morning, I think. It is actually expired. You are correct, man. Let me fix that really quick as we sign off. Okay. I just copied this one from the Discord. I got a Discord open. Why can I not pin that? Guys, I have no idea. I can't pin that message. So you're just going to have to click on it if you want to join that Discord. Do you even see it? Did that message not even get posted? Okay. That previous message didn't even show up. Dude, YouTube blocked me from saying something in my own chat. That's ridiculous. I see the link later. Yeah, so if you want to use that one right there, that I don't know why the other one didn't show up, but that one that's pinned, it is free. I'm going to wave to Neon, LYT. Thanks for joining the Discord right now. Anybody else that wants to join, I'll give you a shout out over there. But it is absolutely free, guys. It's basically an extension of this chat right here if you want to keep talking with each other after the live streams and all that. Loyalty joining in. Wave to Loyalty, man. Thank you guys very much. What we're going to do, get your names in the chat right now. Get Flaws in the Discord, man. Flaw, thank you for jumping in the Discord. Wave to you. Get your names in the chat right now. Jump in the Discord. You guys will get your shout outs on both of them right now. And then we will have videos tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you in advance for clicking that like button, all of that good stuff. Really appreciate all of you guys for everything that you do, man. Oh, absolutely. So let's do these shout outs and we'll be back later with the videos. SD, man, shout out to you. Old School RuneScape, Celsius, see you later. The DC888, see you later, man. Aiden, Suspect K, DD214, I see the Discord now. Perfect, DD214. T-Plays, see you later. J-Bones, later to you. STSY, Mr. Simoninho, enjoy your evening. Justin Frakes, T-Plays, Sparky, Megan, oh, what? Megan? Mega New Sound. That's what it is, not Megan. Mega New Sound. Gotta use caps in that name, dude. It'll help me out a lot. JB, Pudgy, Kenneth, Frodo, Mr. Simon, Pudgy, Old School, see you later. We got Pepe, see you later, Pepe. Crip for Life, or Crip Life for Real, see you later. Criffelder, DD214, Nelson Channel, Criffelder, Jonathan Larson, Lunatics, baby. Ezzy, peace, bro, peace to you. Pudgy, Mr. Simon, see you later. Pepe, Glitch in the Matrix, always, man. Basili, see you later. Pudgy, DD214, Kenneth, USMC, Celsius, see you later. Saitama, Dog to the Luna, let's do it. Justin, Crip for Life, Mr. Simon, Patrick, Rags, bro, Ricardo, Keith Kemp, see you later. Enjoy your evening. Cryptor Live, Marog, Dragon, Keith, Cryptor, Pudgy, all of you guys. We got a new one, Miguelinho in the chat. Little Miguel, Miguelinho. Thank you very much for joining the Discord. All of you guys. Carl Snake, boom to you. Pudgy, see you later, Mr. Simon. And you guys know what time it is. Neon Lit joining the Discord and throwing that little alien looking dude in the chat. I love it, man. All of you guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.